How to punch a sales order in Tejo ERP. Before creating a sales order, we need to add the customer to the system. Let's see how to add a customer. Go to the Sales and Marketing module. On the left side, go to Master. Then select Customer Master and click on Customer. Now click on the three-line menu to open the customer list. Once the customer list appears, click on the plus icon. Enter the customer name and fill in the required details such as customer category, customer group, customer source, and opening balance. After entering all the details, click on Save and Continue. On the next page, you need to enter the GST number, customer country name, state name, district name, address, and zip code. You also need to add a contact person. Enter the contact person's name and their contact number. After filling in all the required details, click on the Create button. Your customer has been created successfully. Now you can use this customer while creating a sales order.
Now, how to create other charges in the master, which is required to complete a sales order. First, go to the left side menu and click on Master. Under Master, select Other Master and then click on Other Charges. Now click on the Create Other Charges option. On this screen, you need to enter the required details. First, mention the other charges type. For example, I am entering insurance. Next, select the GST rate, then enter the CGST percentage and add the CGST code. If you enable the flat checkbox, the system will allow you to enter a manual rate while applying the charge. This option is useful when the charge amount is not fixed. After filling in all the details, click on the Create button. Once you click on Create, the other charges will be successfully created and now you can use them while completing the sales order. For creating sales order terms and conditions, which are important while generating a sales order. To create terms and conditions, go to the Sales module. Under the Sales module, click on Other Master and then select Terms and Condition. On this page, click on the plus button to create a new term. Now enter the required details. First, mention the term's name. If it is the payment-related term, you can mark the payment term option. Next, enter the term's value and then mention the term's days, such as 30 days or 60 days, depending on the payment agreement. After filling in all the required details, simply click on the Create button. Once you click Create, the terms and conditions will be successfully created. Now you are ready to generate a sales order in Tejo ERP.